Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics here with the new solution for 2007 to 2014 GM SUVs and trucks, the 108-GM2B. This kit is painted scratch-resistant matte black and specifically designed for Pioneer's new DMH-C5500 NEX 8-inch radio. To finalize this install, your antenna adapter will be the 40-EU10 for 2012 to 2014 models with navigation, and for all other models, you'll be using the 40-CR10. And for your wiring harness, please visit Metra online for your specific vehicle application. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.